Hi, Barry Vesti Auraled. As promised, I'm doing a video season, so I'm doing more informative videos. Now, many of you might have seen our videos on the Illustro series. I'm going to review that again because I've got quite a lot of the products laid out in front of me today, which I want to quickly show you. First thing is, all of these come in two versions. One of them is mains and the other one is 24 volt DC. So if you're doing around swimming pool edges, we can actually do them in a 24 volt DC current. Now, the Illustro principle works. You've got two parts. You've got the probe, which goes into, which basically takes the power feed, and then the head, which generates its own power then for the LED. Because that's a solid unit, it's all press sealed, so then that's solid. Now, the range starts from the babies, the 3 watt versions, which come in various type heads. Now, we're changing a little bit of design on these. That's going to come out very soon, and you will be informed of that. 9 watt, 18 watt uplights. Then we have two different types of the asymmetric. Again, this is a really heavy die cast. There's the induction probe. Once that's set in concrete, you can lift out the probe so that if you ever have to replace the probe, you leave a bit of cable slack so you can take it back up. You don't have to worry about any water getting in. So that will actually lift out from the top. So once that pot is set in concrete, it stays there. It stays there forever. Any issue with the head, you can lift it up, take it off. You've got no connections to actually disconnect. As long as you've got your water integrity set on your points, on your cable joints, then you're fine. And just wanted to show off some of the more novel little bits, like the 24 volt DC swimming pool luminaires, which have the plug-in induction probe. This is, you can see it's a sealed pot, so that's all sealed, resin filled, and then that just clips on. Just clips on. Now it's locked on. There you go. That's a unit. If you ever have to disconnect it, that's easy. You kept your cable in nice and tight. On a bigger one, same principle. Just locks on. We have to take them screws off quickly just to lock that on. That one's on a screw version because it's a bit heavier. Then we come to the linear, which has been very, very popular. And I'll just show you, I've put some cable, concrete fixings for when it's in ground on this now. So you lift the concrete tabs off once that's set in at a depth. And I'll just take this one off. It's going to take me a second because I've not got the right screwdriver, but it'll be fine. Lift that off, and with your head that's IP68 then, that just slots on, and you slot it into position. Done. Nice drive over linear light set in your driveway. It's really nice fitting. Got some nice jobs coming up on that. Gonna have some really nice project pictures. So this just shows you an overview of the range, and it's evolving to bollards, to wall lights, to brick lights, and other things. We're going to be doing a lot more. We're doing a lot more on the fixings. Just a quick other video. All the laser etching is now complete. We've got all the laser etching that we're doing. This is we've got orders going out. This order's just been run for one of our other clients. We've got more coming to our exclusives in France and Australia. Other countries are coming on board as well, so we're getting more nations come on board. I'm going to keep you informed of that very soon. You're going to hear more about that, who else is coming on board and coming in with the Illustro series. Anyway, check back on more for these videos, and I hope anybody using the range is happy with it. Anyway, thank you. Cheers. Bye.